Terminating a 120mm cable to a 3-phase meter, a step-by-step guide. Disclaimer: electrical work can be hazardous. If you're unsure about your abilities, please consult a licensed electrician. Tools and materials: cable stripper, crimping tool, wire cutters, screwdriver, heat shrink tubing, cable gland, appropriate lugs for the meter terminals, safety equipment, gloves, goggles. Steps: safety first, ensure the power is off. Verify this using a voltage tester. Prepare the cable, strip the outer sheath and armor of the cable to expose the individual conductors. The process of terminating a 120mm cab